The Member of Parliament for Ho Central, Benjamin Kpodo, has visited and commiserated with constituents affected by Saturday's flood in the Volta regional capital of Ho. He promised to collaborate with the Assembly to provide solutions to the identified causes of the perennial floods in the area. More in this report.
Residents in Ho experienced the biggest flood in about a decade during the 3-hour rains on Saturday. The areas affected were Bankwe, Akpenamau, Ajimakope, Polyclinic, Medical Village, Powerhouse and Donokoji, among others. The flood destroyed and washed away goods after making its way into shops at Bankwe Civic Center, the central business district of Ho. A textile dealer said she lost products worth billions of Ghana cedis.
Tamila sito trodo wo aka koya mi gale tuge na Yesu kele kwa mi atugodo pedan to kwere mi mi love pete avo yo mi te npo a amedo egbe kra medo ga kode o cover amedo ko ebe yo ma cover amedo le cover Tamila gbagbaje pedan to so le vava le oyan na mi kode o ko ide laundry ho yo benu nyape o aha ta Mila gbaje mi akpora be e ka anyo no hia mi akọ edo akọche no hia e ka o mi ato wan po gadon ajira enu ehe gbele yan maton cost yo Mila gbaje mi akpora ga keme no gbogbon die me there is billions of cedis because agba Ghana cedi meye gavio agba no koma me wholesale kura ta mi to get video le my uniform and no pay as home especially printers uniform o mi general nurse o.
The Member of Parliament for Ho Central, Benjamin Kpodo, visited her and other victims. He assured of working with the National Disaster Management Organization to lend its support to the victims.
This thing that has happened is completely unusual. It's unusual. For more than 10 years, we've not had this level of heavy downpour to cause such disaster. So we need to get it right when we are going to correct it. So we'll start with the Assembly, see how we can raise funds to correct or to expand some of the bridges, some of the gutters, so that we can create waterway. First of all, there is the need to desilt the existing drains that we have. So when that is done, then we can expect that more money will be found later on to do expansion and reconstruction of the drains. NADMO is responsible for disaster management. So from here, I'm seeing the MCE. We have to impress upon NADMO to assist the victims of this unfortunate disaster.
It is the prayers of residents in Ho that authorities would rectify the identified causes of the perennial floods to ensure the safety of life and property. Fred Kwame Asari, Joy News, Ho.